Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Valentine's Day is just 4 weeks away, and while I personally do not believe in there being just one particular day for love, I know there are a whole lot of you who celebrate Valentine's Day. So I decided to do this quick little makeup look, a very soft, very feminine, very fuss-free makeup look, so that you spend less time doing your makeup and more time with your loved one. And I have also shown you two lip options in this video. One is a dusty rose and the other one is this bright fuchsia that I'm wearing. So depending on your choice, depending on whatever look whatever you like, you can decide which lipstick to go for. And that's not all. I also have a little something for you guys. You must have guessed what this is, but stay tuned to the end of the video for the giveaway. And now let's get started with the makeup tutorial. So I already have my base done, and my foundation and concealer is done. My brows have been darkened because that is something that I usually tend to forget, so I decided to do that before I start with the video. And we're using the Sigma Wildflower palette today. I love the artwork on this. It's so pretty. It is so very pretty. It's like those watercolors. I haven't even removed the plastic from the mirror yet. And this is an eye and cheek palette. So inside you have 4 eye colors. You have a highlighter and a blush. And they're all very wearable colors. I think they would look good on pretty much all skin tones. So let me just remove the plastic first. So I'm starting with this peach shade, which is called Apricot Flower. And I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. Next, I'm taking this Buff and Blend brush. It's the E39, and it's a slightly metallic taupe. It's called number 10. The shade name is 10, and I'm just lightly going to blend out the outer corners just to give a little bit more definition. As you can see, it's looking very simple, very nice, very classic, nothing too heavy. Next, I'm taking the E54 and I'm applying the shade Austere. This is the highlighter shade. And then I'm just going to dampen up the E30. This is the pencil brush. And use that to apply the shade Elderberry. This beautiful purple. And I'm going to apply that onto my lower lash line. And I'm going to finish it off with mascara. So there, the eyes are done. Moving on to the cheeks, I'm not going to be doing any contouring, but what I usually like to do is I like to apply my blush in an angular way, like how it was applied in the 90s, and that I believe has come back in trend now. It's called draping. So I'm going to try and do that. Well, not exactly draping, because draping means putting the blush pretty high up, and I'm not going to be putting it that high on my cheekbones. I'm going to be putting it here. So I'm taking the F23 and I love this. I don't know if the camera is able to capture it properly, but it's giving me such a beautiful, healthy looking, natural looking flush of color to my cheeks. And then to highlight, I'm using the F35 tapered highlighter and this shade Peaceful. It's quite a subtle highlight, which is very good for daytime use. And finally, it's time to do the lips. So I have two lip options here. These are the Creme de Couture liquid lipsticks. One is in the shade New Mod and the other one is in the shade Foxglove. And I have to say, these are the most comfortable liquid lipsticks I've ever tried. They're not as drying as the other liquid lipsticks. So let me just show you the shade. New Mod is this beautiful dusty rose color. It is just beautiful. I love it. I have been wearing this very frequently these days. And Foxglove is another stunning shade. It's a deep fuchsia. This is a deep fuchsia plummy kind of color, and they both are stunning. So I'm going to show you how they both look. So that is the shade New Mod, and like I said, it's a beautiful color. It's great for daily wear. It works perfectly for anything, and I love the texture of these Creme de Couture lipsticks. I'll just remove this. Oh, by the way, this one is the Sigma 3D HD Max Kabuki, and it's an amazing foundation brush. I really love it. It's got a very unique shape, and it is great for applying foundation. That's what I've used today to apply my foundation. So it's an amazing brush. And now let me show you what Foxglove looks like. Didn't I say it's a beautiful color? It absolutely is fabulous. It brightens up my face and just makes me look fresher, more awake, and I think it's a great shade for the coming spring summer months. And yeah, I really like how it looks. So I hope you've liked this makeup look, and like I said, it's very simple, very easy, yet it looks very feminine, and I think it's quite nice for Valentine's Day. We're also adding a little bit of purple under the eyes, and ultraviolet is the Pantone color of the year. So I do quite like how simple and fresh this looks. So let me know what your thoughts are in the comments. And now coming to the giveaway. One lucky winner is going to win this Wildflower palette from Sigma and two of the Creme de Couture lipsticks. So if you want a chance to win these goodies, then hit the description box. All the details will be mentioned over there. Best of luck to all of you entering the giveaway. I'm sorry I cannot make it an international giveaway right now, but I will hope we have an international one soon. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.